Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or turning on read receipts on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Select the three-line icon at the top right once you're on your profile page and go down and select underneath how others can interact with you. You want to select messages and story replies. And where it says who can see her online, you want to select where it says show read receipts. And then if you want to enable read receipts, just click inside that oval one time and toggle it to the on position so others can see when you've read their messages. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.